All right, y'all, so it is the next day. 9904 Jeep, this is 04. Problem is, lights come on, nothing. So it's ignition switch, thought it was a starter. They figure out a trick though. Put it in, turn it almost to ignition. Lights pop up. Now you're just gonna need just a random ass wire. Cut the ends off and come in here and find your starter relay, which is 30, which is that empty one. And I put it right here just so the it's an empty one. So 35 is empty, so I just put it there for now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna attach both of these to that one and that one, so the two closest to this side. Like I said, the key has to be on for it to start. It's a little trick that I've not seen nobody else post, but once you touch them both, never mind. Well, worked last night. Let's see, hold on. Let me try something real quick. Ah, damn. Let's try that right there. It should at least turn over even if the, let's see. Sorry, this is hard as fuck to do with one hand. Let's do this right. Fuck me. It's alright. We put one right there and one right there. Fuck me. So it will turn over. So now we just gotta get, fuck, I know this is a long video, y'all, I'm sorry. Turn it to the next key over. Now it should fucking start. Fuck me. Y'all don't understand how much of a bitch this was. That's why I'm making this video, because I know somebody else is dealing with this shit right now, and it's not fucking fun at all. What the fuck? Takes a couple times sometimes, but that's how you get it started. If you're stuck at the fucking gas station, you need your goddamn, let me turn the camera around so y'all can see me. Stuck at the gas station, you need your goddamn car back home. Whatever fucking situation is, or you just want to drive your shit, that's how you do it.